Okay, Rick, slew, reorient, and back on the procedure with an ident.
Thank you, Tammy.
This is Space Lab Operations. As Tammy Jernigan there received some suggestions from alternate payload specialist Rick Rodriguez here. We're seeing some live downlink video from a black and white camera in the cargo bay of Endeavour, looking around the payload bay. Just barely starting to get illumination from the sun's rays as Endeavour moves into the early part of the daylight side, now on orbit 20. Camera being panned by commanding from the ground. And now we are able to see on the right-hand side of the screen the Astro 2 telescopes mounted on the instrument pointing system. Basically in the vertical mode are for observations. The orbiter is oriented so that the payload bay is aimed right in the direction of the desired target, and thereby the telescopes will be basically in a 90-degree or vertical position with relation to the orbiter. The current observation, again, is one in attempted observation is one in a category known as dwarf galaxies, unusually faint galaxies. There are just a couple of those on the list of desired targets for this mission. These are galaxies that are extremely faint, and in this case it's one which is of interest for the ultraviolet imaging telescope, or UIT. The opportunity for acquiring that target is a bit shorter than some of the previous ones. We have about 20 minutes possible for this target, so we'll be standing by to see if the procedure that's being performed by Jernigan will work out. It's again, it's particular procedure known as initial star acquisition and identification. It's going back to a slightly longer procedure so that the celestial coordinates can be updated in the instrument pointing system software.